Hello, nation. Yeah, I've been gone for a long time, longer than I'd anticipated, and I've been sitting on some stuff, which is really kind of bad. But this came in, and I wasn't expecting this. This has been kind of an odd situation over the last week or so, with some strange things going on. But I pre-ordered this back in November, but as it at least appears, that wasn't necessary. I just wanted to make sure that I got a copy. But it's the CD edition and the vinyl edition of the Hellweight's 40th anniversary. This will just be just the unboxing. I'll do another video like I did on the previous Show No Mercy 40th, and it'll be another long one, and I'll have timestamp indicators and everything for that, because it'll be more in depth. But I got a shipping notification on the 8th, and preliminary estimates was that it was going to arrive on the 15th. At least according to Walmart in the United States, their listing for this release date was the 19th of the month. So it's all kind of crazy, but it's sitting, the stuff's it's right here. This is the Earbook version, and there's the back of it, and I think both editions are the same, except for the vinyl specific stuff in the vinyl edition. But I believe the booklet is the same, the poster is the same, and the live content is also the same. Yet I'm not really sure about the remaster. I'm not sure if anything was done regarding that. There's the vinyl edition, and it's a gatefold on fire splatter. You've got the hardcore book, you got a slip mat, replica tour laminate, ticket poster, which is probably the same, which we will find out later. Replica newsletter, merchandise flyer, and all that. There's the back of it. This is in a slip-up box. So it's here. Excited for this. By chance listened to another edition of this album that I recently bought, and so I don't think there's any differences, because I doubt that there's any differences from the other CD versions of this that I have. Yeah, it's here, another anniversary edition. This one I'm really excited for, because obviously my favorite album from them. So stay tuned for more on both of these releases. They'll have their own special videos. I don't do reviews, so that part won't be a part of it, but I'll showcase everything that's in both packages in detail at a later time. So thank you for watching, and